Now we can do the color interpolation. So I'm gonna create, we have 3 components to our colors: hue, saturation, value. Here we only use hue and saturation. Value is 1. So I'm gonna create H for hue, S for saturation, and V for value. And we're gonna convert this free value default is gonna be 1, and we're gonna use hue saturation value to color to have the background color. So this is a function from Redash, and I just used the implementation we used in this shader, which I rewrote in Reanimated. So now we have here the color component. We pass it as parameter, and we need to pass also hue and saturation in the picker, so we can modify its value from the picker. So this one becomes an animated node, and we get hue also, which is an animated. It's an animated value because we're going to modify actually its value and saturation. So we have hue, saturation. Now that background color becomes a animation value and not a string path, needs to become an animated path. I think here I'm gonna set it as a string here for now. It's not entered as an animation value in the header. So now we can interpolate according to the position, the saturation and the hue, and we can set it to these 2 values. So the hue we need to convert, and I think we go from -pi. So I'm gonna normalize it to 0 to 2pi by using modulo 2pi, and we want it, so this is gonna go from 0 to 2pi, and we want it to have from 0 to 1, so I'm gonna divide it by 2pi. And saturation, we're gonna divide the radius, which is this value here. Let me call this polar. Theta is polar dot theta. This one is radius. So I'm gonna create radius is clamp of polar.radius from 0 to canva size divided by 2. And here we're going to divide radius by canva size divided by 2. So we go from 0 to 1. And this one is polar.theta. And we're going to assign these values to H and S using use code. So we can execute a block of code for every frame. And so we're going to use set H to U and saturation to S. No dependencies in the hook. Let's have a look. So here you see the color is nicely interpolated, almost. You see here because, for instance, I have some light blue, but I'm almost white. It's because in the shader we used some interpolation, some easing function, which we need to use here as well. So I'm gonna use saturation, so power 2. So here we really have exactly the same color interpolation between OpenGL and Reanimated.